It's a little spooky.
Okay.
You can see the hands actually are like this in front of the face. But your baby's like in a total ball right now. So if you can see, this arm is resting on that knee.
I see that from the leg.
There looks like a ball sack.
I'm not even gonna look yet.
I just drank some raspberry
That looks like a
lemonade.
little boy to me.
I'm not even gonna look down there yet.
Oh,
I've seen enough of them.
I was like, is he?
We have one that's due right now too, so
Oh,
we just went through this.
Oh, he's
Oh,
moving.
moving around.
yeah, and we're kind, like I said, we're kind of crouched in a ball a little bit.
Aw.
Baby's chin is in its chest, which is fine. They can do that all they want.
You hear that, Aunt Beefy?
Beautiful. We're moving. We're moving. Beautiful.
Sweet baby. What? Does it say how fast it is?
I'm gonna measure it for you.
Oh,
Right now, 160. That's because baby's kind of wiggling around. And
Yeah.
at 16 weeks, that's still pretty normal.
Sissy.
so sweet. Oh my goodness.
And the face is looking at us.
Her little face.
Got a foot in the way there. Got a foot in the leg there. And then the other one is up this way. There's a hand down there too.
That's funny. We got 2 hands and 2 feet.
It just looks so funny seeing him in 3D like
Yeah,
that.
see,
I know.
I went to the ER like a
Smiling.
week and a half ago,
Mm-hmm.
and they said the baby's head, like, whatever the baby is, it's so stubborn because would not move the head moved everything else.
Oh, it just kind of stay there.
The head just was in this comfy spot, and she's like, I've never had such a hard time. Okay, get up and dance. It looks like they're almost
gotta
like
wait, baby.
sucking,
You gotta wait.
trying to suck
That's ready.
with them.
You're ready.
Okay, I think so.
It's a
Is
girl.
it?
It
It's
is
a
a
girl.
Oh,
Killing me.
you got another girl, Brandon.
I know, I'm going to show you, hopefully between the legs a little better, but I zoomed in right here, and that's absolute female.
Absolutely.
Got another girl, Brandon.
I'm just gonna have a princess room, just like Caitlin's got her whole princess room set up.
You're getting another girl.
I've never been wrong with gender, I promise.
No.
I don't guess, nothing. If I see it, that's what it is.
That's what you're like, oh,
Yes.
there it is.
Yeah.
Well, that definitely wasn't a ball sack.
Sorry, Dad. Yeah, now we've got our leg covering it. We moved it there, but.
Well, we get to go buy more girly clothes.
Now, at Kaiser, do they even tell you gender over there?
They don't, they show you pictures of,
Oh,
here's
and
a
then you go
girl.
outside and figure out what it is.
Yeah, they won't tell you.
I think that's crazy.
Awesome. I can't believe that before G.
It's a girl.
Oh my goodness.
Ow. She slapped my butt.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Ow. Slapped it again.
Oh.
There, little toe.
I'm sorry, honey.
It's okay.
She's like, oh, man.
Maybe we won't get fixed yet, huh, Brandon? Try for another one.
We're not trying this again.
Okay, my arm.
I'm trying to get another shot of it, but she's not letting me. I can see a little bit of it right here.
I just thought my arms were starting
I
to hurt.
know. Mine's killing me. But I promised Felicia I'd get everything I could.
So cute.